Another day, another story. AI may be used in many approaches, depending on the precise application and enterprise. Here are a few examples. Photo and speech popularity. AI can be used to pick out objects in pictures and apprehend speech, which may be useful in safety, clinical imaging, and voice-activated assistants. Herbal language processing, NLP. AI may be used to research and understand human language, which may be useful in chatbots, customer support, and sentiment analysis. Predictive analytics. AI may be used to analyze statistics and make predictions approximately future effects, which may be beneficial in finance, advertising, and healthcare. Self-reliant systems. AI can be used to manipulate self-sustaining vehicles and drones, which may be beneficial in transportation, delivery, and surveillance. Robotics. AI can be used to manipulate robots and automate production processes, which may be beneficial in manufacturing and logistics. Standard. AI can be used to automate obligations, enhance selection making, and decorate efficiency in an extensive range of industries. Thanks for watching.